Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Ho Ong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, to all viewers across the globe and also in the Philippines that I am based here in Dumaguete City, I will be using two languages. First is English and second is Filipino, the official language, Tagalog. For the meantime, I will not use the other dialect, which is Cebuano, the common here in Visayas region. Okay. Okay, sa lahat ng viewers, sa mga nanonood sa akin, sa aking necrological video, meron akong sasabing not necessarily announcement. Marami nagtatanong sa akin kung ang aking pang necrological videos ay may ginagamit ba akong AI or artificial intelligence. Okay, the answer is no. Thanks to clarify, my fellow viewers, I do not use artificial intelligence in my all necrological videos. Ang kagandaan nito is ako mismo yung nagsasalita. Ang owner, ang video na ito is ako. Wala akong ginagamit artificial intelligence. Bakit? Kasi kung magkaroon ng restriction or maban, kasi meron features na bawal sa YouTube, no? Ang sa akin, ako mismo. Ang kagandahan nito is, bago ko mag-publish ng necrological video, titignan ko muna kung tama ba yung first name, middle initial, or family name. Meron din iba na first name at family name, wala yung middle initial. Meron pa akong sasabihin. This is another case. There is first name, middle initial, and family name. The most funniest thing is there is a date of death, but there is no date of birth. So, I cannot publish it. Kasi incomplete details. Kasi my policy is, ang aking patakaran sa aking necrological video is, I cannot, my policy is very clear. I cannot publish necrological video if it is incomplete. If it is incomplete. Unless if easily published if there is already date of death, date of burial. Okay, that's an example. There is one example I will give it to you. I just published the necrological video of former Cebu Governor Eduardo Eddie Gul Rivera Gullas Sr. Complete details siya. Pero kung titignan, kasi usually ang complete details ko sa necrological video, 15 minutes pataas. Ito siya complete, pero hindi siya 15 minutes. 15 minutes pababa. Ibig sabihin, less than 15 minutes. Mga wala nga ning 10 minutos eh. Kaya ganun talaga kasi may interment, then kung saan cemetery ililibing. Yon, tama, may date of birth, may date of death, may mga selected relatives, yon, on the spot. Kaya yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, my fellow viewers, complete details. Kasi kung incomplete, halimbawa may pangalan, may middle initial, may family name, then saan nilibing, di ba? Kung incomplete, I will not publish. Pero I have some details na may namatay na, pero yung date of birth, wala. Kasi kung malaman ko na buhay pa pala yung tao, pero patay na siya, okay, yes, patay na siya, pero walang basis. Ano i-base ko, di ba? So, incomplete details. Pero kung complete details, basta lahat naka-detailed, ayun, automatic publish. Yan ang policy ko. So, thanks to clarify, my fellow viewers, I do not use AI. Kasi kung AI, ang nakakatakot sa AI, para siyang robot o machine, hindi siya human, hindi siya tao. So, yun ang nakakatakot. Pero yung sa akin, ako mismo. Ako ang owner sa video, ako mismo nagsasalita. So I hope that this lesson will learn to all viewers talaga. Kasi may bago kasing policy ang YouTube pag AI ang ginamit, tapos dumami ang viewers. Anong nangyari kasi, pag-upload sa video, ang pinapalabas meron ng 70 viewers. Start uploading pa lang walang muka. Hindi muka ng totoong tao. Tapos, naging 700 after 1 hour. Uy, 700 viewers. Tapos, in 1 day, 24 hours 70,000 viewers. Oh, very unusual, di ba? So, kaduda-duda. Pero ako, ang kagandahan sa akin, kahit konti lang ang viewers, at least ako mismo. Ako maingat talaga sa mga ganyan. I hope that this lesson will learn a lot to all viewers. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon. And before I say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon. And this is a lesson to all of us. That's the one I'm talking about. I do not use artificial intelligence in my all necrological videos. Thank you so much.